So we stopped at this dealership because we saw a monster truck, but if you look closely, it says Diesel Girl on it. That's a girl truck.
I can't have it. I don't want it now.
It still has a license plate on it, so I think it's like still theirs.
Oh, nice. They'd probably just store it for like attention or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
No, she's not. She's not.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Where is it? Hi! Oh, look at your eyes. Oh, he likes you. I love you. Oh my gosh, I want 12. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh. Oh. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're so good. Oh boy. Oh yeah, I guess I'll show you guys why we're actually here. Gabe's getting that. I love this so much.
Needs a tuner, but I like it.
Out of 10, what do you rate the truck? 9? 9 out of 10, folks. A circle house. Oh my goodness. It's a cow farm. There's gonna be cows outside. Woo!
Ashley or something.
It's bad as fuck. She being self-walk
Alright, so obviously we're at Logan's with the new 3rd gen.
Look at it.
Stop buying things.
No.
I'm gonna tell you guys about it because
You guys probably want to know.
probably. Just a guess.
Well, it's an 04. It's a Ram 3500. Used to be a 2500, but they converted it to a dually. 22-inch Alcoa wheels. It has 22 by 14s in the front. That's why it's so wide. It's literally 2 inches wider in the front.
From this angle.
She's thick.
She's thick.
35-inch tires. Stock height. We need a leveling kit though because it rubs
Yeah.
horribly. It's a what kind of green is it?
I'm like Christmas tree green, but when you get close, it's almost metallic.
And then when it's wet, it's like
Oh my god, when it's wet,
looks
it's
like
beautiful.
glass.
Yeah.
So,
It's gonna be the tow truck.
yeah.
Uh,
Just a little
scratch
bit of
this, the, what's it called?
the second
The
one?
12 valve.
12 valve?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck that thing. I like that thing.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be the tow truck instead.
Yeah. I got a lot coming. I already spent so much money on it.
Yeah, he was
Parts.
up all night spending money, so
That's gonna be cool in about 5 days.
5 days.
You
Hopefully.
spent too.
You never know about shipping, so.
Hopefully.
The heat works. We actually have a radio. All our other trucks don't actually connect to the radio. We have new seats to put in it.
Yeah, because it has like this.
It has this
little
stuff
snuggies.
and that over there. But,
Oh, it's a 6-speed NV
yeah.
5600. Real nice.
Nice,
6
nice.
speed. It's a 5.9 Cummins. It's a 24 valve. What else? Got
Pretty
four-
nice.
4 bumpers.
A lot of the trucks Gabe looks at, I hate. But this one's okay.
Not so bad.
It's not terrible.
It's gonna be pretty cool when it's done.
Yep. So obviously it's a little bit dirty on the inside, but that's what we have Savannah for. Savannah's gonna detail it. So when she has time to do that, that'll be up on her channel. So go check that out. Let me know what do you guys think of the 3rd gen. I like that we have a back seat. We have dogs, we have friends, surprisingly. I hated the 2nd gen. 1, because we didn't have a back seat, and if we ever wanted to bring more than one person, it was like a chore because you had to squish. Yeah, I like this thing. I was a little bit worried when we went to go pick it up that I wouldn't like it, but I don't hate it. I actually like it. It's like an 8 out of 10 for me. I'm just waiting for him to get something ridiculous again, so I try not to get attached to things that Gabe buys. Fun fact, actually really sad fact, if you know, you know. I don't know how to drive manual. I think I want to learn in this when he puts 11K on it because I can barely turn. So I could learn in Savannah's truck, but this is kind of the same thing. So stay tuned for that video. I'll probably make a video, but just letting you guys know, I cannot drive manual yet. We're working on it. Look at him filming a TikTok. So focused. Another freaking fact is that I'm the one who was originally looking at 3rd gens because I was like, do I keep my 6.0? Do I get something new? Blah, blah, blah. And Gabe started looking for me and then got himself one. It's okay. I think I'm gonna finish my 6.0. Ouch. Beautiful. Moose power.
It ain't straight?
Huh?
It isn't straight exhaust?
Yeah, it's just the muffler is cut off. And it's only whatever the stock is, like a 4-inch or a 3-inch. I think it's 4-inch. So I ordered full 5-inch from the downpipe.
How many miles are on it?
Oh, 260.
Slow.
Sounds like so.
A little bit. Mason's driving now.
Jesus, this thing's wide, man. I can already tell. Don't tell him that. I like it. It's gonna be way better when the 12-inch tip is on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is fun. Oh! There you go.
Oh, there he is logging. Okay, so I'm ending this video right here, but I'm going to roll an edit after me talking right now, so you guys can get a better look at Gabe's truck. And don't forget to check out his video. He's uploading right now, same time as I am. So if you're seeing mine first, head over to his and go watch it. All right, see you guys in the next one. Weep, weep. Also, this will be in the next video, so stay tuned.